Hello everyone, it's Shauna. Welcome into my craft space. And today I have an intentional messy desk because I have covered it with all things from this beautiful Inspired Dragonflies kit from RachandBella Crafts. I will put a link to them in the description box below, along with so many other things, because we are going to have a scavenger hunt. And I'm so excited because I haven't done any challenges or giveaways or giveaways or anything on this channel yet, so the fun is just beginning. And you guys, look at this beautiful paper. I am going to be starting a journal working with this beautiful paper that is from RachandBella Crafts. And I absolutely love this kit. It's a digital kit, and as you guys know, you have watched me before, I don't usually work with digital kits, and not because I don't want to, but because I feel like I have all the scrapbook paper from owning a scrapbook store that I need to use. But I had this amazing opportunity to guest design for RachandBella Crafts, and Rachel is the sweetest lady, and they have some beautiful, beautiful digitals. So let's chat about a scavenger hunt. I'm so excited for this, and I hope you guys will be too. Like I said, they have an Etsy store and some amazing stuff. And why does that matter for my scavenger hunt? Well, there's going to be 2 winners, and each winner will get to choose one digital kit of their choice from RachandBella Crafts on Etsy. This contest, because it's a digital download, will be open to U.S. and international friends 18 years and older. And the scavenger hunt will close on August 7th, and the winners will be drawn on August 10th of this year, 2021. So, how do you enter, and what do you have to do to enter? Yes, I took notes just to make sure I can keep us all straight and on the same page. So there are 4 ways to get entries into my scavenger hunt. The first way is to make a VR here on YouTube promoting this scavenger hunt with links to this video. And also, if you do that, please leave a link in the comments down below so I know that you did a VR and I don't have to go searching for it. And so that's the first way. The second way is to like, follow, and subscribe to 2 out of the 3 of my social media. The first being here on YouTube. Make sure that you are a subscriber and that you comment and like at least this video, if not more. And I also have a Facebook page for Frapps and Scraps, and you could like and follow the page there and leave at least 1 or more comments on any of the things posted there. I have videos and pictures and comments and whatever posted over there, so definitely check that out. My third social media that I really work a lot is Instagram, so you could follow, like, and comment on at least 1 photo over there. So here's a bonus entry if you do all 3 of those social media. And the key is to make sure that you are following or subscribed and that you comment there so I know that you've done it. And then you can come back to this page and comment that you did, YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or whatever, that you did all 3, and let me know so I can make sure to get you the entries that you have earned. And the extra bonus way to enter the scavenger hunt is to send some happy mail to me. I love happy mail, and I haven't received very much recently. I'm in a happy mail group, but I became a moderator, so I haven't had a whole lot gracing my mailbox lately. My address is here, P.O. Box 84 in Sedro Woolley, Washington State, 98284, and that is in the U.S. So that is why we are closing it again on August 7th. So any happy mail will need to be posted by August 7th. And I will wait to draw until August 10th. So that gives a few days to make sure any straggling packages come in that will be coming in. So I'm super, super, super excited to offer this, and Rachel from RachandBella Crafts has been so kind as to ensure that I have some prizes for the giveaway. Again, 2 people are going to win a digital kit of their choice from RachandBella Crafts on Etsy. So that is just so awesome, and a huge shout out and thank you to Rachel. And I love her Etsy store. I have favorited it, and I think you guys should definitely go check it out. Look at these colors of these tags. I spent all day yesterday cutting all of the pieces of this kit. There's just so many. Look at these wonderful stamps and tags and tickets. And these are little mini tags, and then they've got big tags. And when I got my kit, I printed it out in 2 sizes. I printed out in landscape and in portrait. So when you print it out in landscape, it gives you half a page, 8.5 by 11 page, so you can kind of see there. And then I printed out in the big size too. So all of the same designs and images in the big sizes as well. And the colors are just brilliant. I used an HP OfficeJet Pro 6978, I think it was, to print these images out, and they turned out just absolutely beautiful. The colors are so nice, and I can't wait to start putting them in a book. It's going to be so much fun, and hopefully turn out just beautifully. Look at these flowers and these fun, like, ephemera pages. Let's see, what else is back here? Some of them I printed out a couple times, so I have some fun things to be able to do with them. I'll be able to use them once or twice, or cut up some of the dragonflies or the butterflies if I want to. Look at this one, so pretty. And I love this one too. There wasn't one page I didn't really care for in this set. Everything was just so beautiful. And there's some little mini, you could make this into a little mini book. I did one somewhere. Where did it go? Right here. Yeah, so I cut it out. I printed it, I cut it out, and then I backed it on some cardstock already. And I plan to ink all of these and start working with them. This one you can just very easily make into a cute little tuck-in little notebook or something. Extra journaling cards, and there's tags, and these I think are little pockets. You can make them whatever. These could be tabs or tags, and there's little square, like you could do tucks, you could do page corners, and there's a couple of different ones of those. So beautiful. A little tiny little tuck-in journal. Yeah, so many beautiful designs. Look at these. I got this kit and just went, wow, these are just so pretty. And the color, like I said, it prints out so brilliantly. Absolutely love it. All right, guys, so what are you waiting for? Go enter this scavenger hunt and let me know that you entered, so I know how many entries to give you all. It's going to be fun, and I can't wait for some other people to get some of these digital kits from the great people over at RachandBella Crafts with their beautiful, beautiful designs. So go ahead and get hunting, and I will wait for your comments down below. Have fun, you guys.